Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a killer back workout that you can do right at home with no equipment. If you're looking to build strength, improve posture, and get that V-shaped back, this routine is for you. Stick around, it's only 6 minutes, but your back is going to feel the burn. Let's get started. Our first exercise is the T Superman. Lie flat on your stomach with your arms extended out to the sides, forming a T shape. Now, lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground as high as you can. Then slowly lower down. Focus on squeezing your back muscles at the top. We're doing this for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. Squeeze your shoulder blades, and keep your arms straight. 20-second rest. Next up, we have reverse snow angels. Stay on your stomach and extend your arms out to the side. Sweep them around, bringing them towards your body as if you're making a snow angel. This exercise works your rear delts, upper back, and lats. Another 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Focus on the full range of motion. Second rest. Our third exercise is prone T raises. Lie flat again, but this time with your arms out in a T shape. Lift your arms and chest off the ground, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This one really targets your upper back and traps. Another 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this workout, make sure to follow me on Instagram for more workout tips, daily fitness motivation, and exclusive content that you won't find here. Link is in the description. Squeeze between the shoulder blades. Second rest. Now let's do swimmers. With your stomach on the floor and arms extended out in front of you, alternate lifting one arm and the opposite leg off the floor in a swimming motion. This move works your lower back and helps stabilize the core. Another 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Let's do the exercise next 40 seconds. Keep your movements controlled. Second rest. Now we'll hit the reverse plank to finish strong. Sit down with your hands placed behind you and legs extended. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating a straight line from your head to your feet. Hold this position to engage your entire back and core. Another 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Let's do the exercise next 40 seconds. Keep your hips high. Second rest. And that's it. A solid back workout you can do right from home in just 6 minutes. If you felt a burn, make sure to hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe for more fast and effective workouts. Drop a comment below and let me know how you felt. Until next time, stay strong.